Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm just going to teach you an easy skill. I'm going to teach you how to turn American time, or United States time, into military time. It's a very simple technique and it's a useful technique because while we use US time in the world, over here in our country of course, the rest of the world they use pretty much military time, and it's good for the kids to know how to switch between back and forth. So let me give you an example right now. Let me give you a time, straightforward US time. How about like something as 2:45 p.m. in the afternoon, of course. Now this is US time, and I want to turn this into military time. Military time is a little bit different. And in order to turn this American, United States time to military time, what I have to do is simply add 12. Why? Because 12 represents the hours, and all we're doing is that we're taking the 12 hours and we're adding it to 2 hours. And when you add them together, you get 14. And then of course you bring down the rest. And there we go. 2:45 American time is 14:45 military time. 1400 hours or 1445 hours, as we say in military. Let's try another one. How about let's try 9 and 9:18 p.m. American time. I would like to turn this into military time. So same thing. You go to the hours, which is right over here, and you add it to by 12. And 12 plus 9 is 21. And there we go. We have finally turned American time, 9:18, into military time. So when you write this military time, it's going to be 21:18 hours, like that. So it'll be 21:18 hours. Or you can just write 21:18. That's good enough. And you don't need to put PM or AM or anything. Everyone knows that if it's 21, it's automatically a PM time. Let's try one more. Let's try another one. Let's try an AM time. Does it work for AM? Well, let's take a look. How about 7:30 a.m. in the morning? I would like to turn this into military time. Well, guess what? Military time is not going to work over here. Military time only works for PM or anything 12 p.m. all the way up to 11:59 p.m. Military time is useful and effective. The minute you reach 12 a.m. midnight, what we call midnight, military time does not apply. In fact, 12 a.m. American time is 100 hours military time, as you can see over here. So that's one trick that you have to remember, or one thing that you have to remember with military time. It only is effective and it only works for PMs, afternoon or evening times or night times. It does not work for AM, and 12 AM in particular, 12 AM midnight. When you turn it to military, it goes straight into 0 or 100 hours. Now let me give you another example right here. Let's try 7:30 let's try, how about 5:23 p.m. I'm going to turn this into military time. So again, you look at the hours, which is on this side, and you just add 12 over here. And when you do 12 and 5, you get 17. And 17:23 is the military time. Is that simple? Is that effective in order to turn American time into military time? Thank you.